Africa unite, come together. African children sing along, 'cause the children don't know the difference between right and wrong. We've been traveling down this road for far too long. Yes, I'm wailing on the truth straight through my lung. And I want to take control of the human race. Why you standing on the podium lying to my face? We know what we're gonna do, chase you out our gate. For the love of Africa, yeah. For the love of Eritrea, yeah. We love you, Eritrea. Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Line from Artists for Eritrea. And on behalf of all Artists for Eritrea, just want to give you guys a heads up. May 24th is around the corner, and we're getting ready to celebrate our beautiful Eritrea on its 30 years of independence. So all of our artists are getting ready to lay down their tunes, getting ready to spit their poetry, getting ready to show off their brand new fashion for the 21-22 coming of years. And also, we're gonna display all of our cultural events with our 9 ethnic groups. And just be ready. May 24th is around the corner. So 30 years of independence is not easy to come, and it's coming, and it's here. It's around the corner, and we want to pay respect to our marchers for giving us our beautiful Eritrea. And it's been way overdue. We've suffered, we struggled for far too long, and we're gonna be celebrating to the fullest. And let's get ready. May 24th, lock that calendar. And everyone, just want to send out some warm greetings to all of our Eritreans in all corners of the world. And on behalf of Artists for Eritrea, we love you. Let's get ready. Let's be there. Let's celebrate, and let's be festive. Happy birthday, Eritrea. Yes, out Nafa.